I am the Payroll and Administration Department, and I've been with the company for probably about 4 months now.
My name is Zach St. Clair. I've been with Super Radiator Coils for 7 months now, and now I'm a procurement specialist in the materials department.
Before joining SRC, I previously was employed with a retail facility. I was considered the DPC, which means I was in charge of hiring and firing pharmacists as well as interns, training them and paying them.
Prior to joining SRC, I was a store manager for a grocery retail chain. I had been employed there for just over 9 years. In my role as store manager, I oversaw day-to-day operations of the store, including employee relations, as well as keeping our stock levels full for our customers.
So the problems I had with my previous employer was simply that the more I gave, the more they took, and they started disrespecting the fact that I did have a family at home that I was trying to take care of. I couldn't have a day off. I was on call 24/7, and sometimes I would even do overnights in stores to clean them up and then continue to my regular job in the morning.
So the reason I left my last job was more or less a culmination of a lot of things. As I had previously mentioned, I really wasn't getting to spend any time at home. I was losing the weekends to see friends and family.
Even though I have not worked in manufacturing in the past, I do firmly believe that my previous job and my history has set me up for a very easy transition into the facility. It's been really welcoming and educational.
Since coming on board, I found that a lot of my skills at my previous job have translated into what I'm doing here at Super Radiator. A lot of that revolving around inventory management. So again, previously in grocery retail, it's all about inventory management, keeping your shelves full for your customers. The difference is that the shop is my customer, so to speak, and so it's my job to make sure that all of the material is in-house, has an accurate count, and is on time for our shop to complete all the manufacturing that they have to do. It's been everything that I was looking for and more, honestly. It's a challenging environment to be in, and I mean that in a good way, where you're always getting challenged to push yourself and do better, not only in your job, but kind of personal growth and development within the company as well.
One of the biggest benefits I've seen since coming here is having the opportunity to spend more time with my family. Some one-on-one, and I have a granddaughter on the way, my very first one, and I'm looking forward to actually being there. And because this facility is already so wonderful, they are actually allowing me to, and I've only been here for like 4 months.
Another thing that I've enjoyed doing is getting to spend some time with a couple of my friends that live out of town. We've been switching back and forth, getting to play a lot of golf together, which has been nice because barely got to do any golfing at all. I could spend a lot of more time with my parents, a lot more time with my grandparents, spend a lot of time fishing with my granddad, which is something I really enjoy doing and I've loved getting back to.
I can actually go down the road and not get a phone call. I can breathe.
I'm glad I switched to Super.